Struggling to get more views on your YouTube videos? What if I told you that you can boost your video views by 100% overnight? I've got a game-changing strategy that can multiply your views in no time. Let's dive into the secrets of Google Ads. Be sure to watch the video till the end. Go to your browser and type Google Ads. Then, the search results will be displayed. Click on the first website that appears. Set up your Google Ads account. If you don't have one, I've made a complete video on creating a Google Ads account. You can find the link in the description. Be sure to check it out. Click on Sign In. And now the Google Ads dashboard will open in front of you. Once you're signed in, create a new campaign. Click on the Campaigns tab in the left-hand menu. Then click on the plus button to create a new campaign. Select a campaign goal that fits your needs. Product and brand consideration, or brand awareness and reach, are great options for increasing views. Choose the option Create a Campaign without a goals guidance. Choose Video as the campaign type since we're focusing on YouTube ads. Then, select a campaign subtype such as Video Views. And click on Continue. Custom Video Campaign, which offers flexibility. Now, configure your campaign settings. Name your campaign. Choose your bidding strategy like maximum CPV, cost per view, and set your budget. You can specify a daily budget or a total campaign budget. I recommend selecting a daily budget. The amount you set will be the daily expenditure. For example, I am selecting $5 per day. You can also set the end date for your campaign, specifying the duration for which you want the campaign to run. For now, I won't select an end date. Select the networks where you want your ads to appear. For more views, choose YouTube videos and video partners on the display network. For better results, I suggest unchecking video partners on the display network so that your ads only appear on YouTube. Then, define your target audience. This step is crucial for reaching the right viewers. You can select specific locations to target, including countries and cities. You can also run ads in different languages, but since my video is in English and I'm targeting the United States, I'll only select English. Next is related videos. You can see how I can add related videos to my advertisement. Now, by adding 2 or 3 videos from my channel, I can make it related. This way, whoever clicks on my ad will see more videos from my channel. And remember, there's no extra charge for the clicks.
Wow!
Now, I click on Next. You have multiple ad formats available. You can stay on this option where you have multiple options like skippable ads, feed ads, short ads, and many more options available to you. You can choose to use them if you want. Next, create your ad group. Write an ad group name. The next option is Audience. Here, if you look, whenever you want to target videos, you have multiple targeting options available, as you can choose according to your demographics. For example, if you're running a video that's demographic specific like your age is important, you can choose not to show it to certain people. Here, you can also choose according to income. You have the option to target your audience accordingly, and you also have an audience segment available where you can create your own segment. But the better option is, according to your content, to target your audience. Specify locations, languages, and demographics like age and gender. You can also target by interests, habits, and what your audience is actively researching. This helps in getting your video in front of people who are more likely to watch it. We will target our audience based on keywords. For instance, let's say we have a video related to keyword research. The most important videos we have are about SEO. Now, here I'm running videos about keyword research. So, I'll add keywords like keyword research here. By adding keyword ideas, I'll add all the keywords. Now, my impressions will be around 37 million, and as many audiences as I have organically, they will come. Next is Topics. Here, you can add topics related to your video. For example, I type digital marketing here. Now, wherever someone searches for digital marketing, your video ad will be shown. After that, you have the option of topics and placement. If you want, you can also do placement here. What is placement? For example, if you want to run your ads on YouTube, you can see it here. You can choose favorites or channels where you want to run your videos. For example, you can see big YouTube channels. If I want to run my videos on these channels, I can do it from here in this way. So, you can also do placement like this. Next, you have the option to finally create your ad. Here, you need to add the link to your video. For example, I add keyword research tech here. Let's say I have a new video about keyword research, I will add it here. If you have chosen the multi-format option, you will see these options. You can fill them out according to your preference. You also have an option to choose multiple formats or remove them. If you remove multiple formats, you'll have simpler options like skippable or in-feed ads. You can choose multiple ad formats where you have skippable ads, in-feed ads, shorts, and other options. As soon as you uncheck the multi-format option, you will see these two options, skippable in-stream ads and in-feed video ads. According to me, the best ad format is in-feed because your video will appear naturally in the feed. Now, you need to add your headline. You can write the main topic of your video in the headline. For example, I will write Free Keyword Research Tool 2024. Similarly, you can write content related to your topic in the description. Next, scroll down to the bidding option. Set a bid, for example, $1 per view. If you don't know the exact bid, Google suggests an average bid, say $0.17 per view. This is the approximate cost per view, but it might be less. Google will try to minimize the cost as much as possible. After setting the bid, click Create Campaign. As soon as you click on Create Campaign, for security purposes, you will be asked for verification. Confirm by entering your mobile number and verify it with the OTP you receive. Click on the Create Campaign button. Congratulations, your campaign is ready. Double-check all your settings to make sure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click Continue to Overview. Your ad is now live and ready to bring in more views to your YouTube video, and that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Google Ads to increase your YouTube video views. Yes, you'll have access to the Google Ads dashboard where you can monitor your campaign. From there, you can track various metrics including impressions, views, average CPV, cost per view, and cost, among others. This dashboard provides valuable insights into the performance of your campaign, allowing you to make informed decisions and optimize your advertising strategy as needed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising!